Oh, yo, what is poppin', guys? Today we're gonna be playing MT5. So yeah, let's get to it. I'm gonna kill a lot of people. I also got a new gun that I keep dying with this gun for some reason, including if this is a new gun. I'm sick, so yeah. Never trust people. Oh, Dre is Dre. Oh, hello, MLG. MLG. Die. I don't care. I don't care about you. I don't. Wait on. Let me change my class. I'll do good with the saw. So yeah. Take it. I'll go for shotgun. Shotgun. Okay. Shotgun. Oh come on. I keep missing for some reason. Oh, he's only at 18. Good. Eh. Aw. I thought it was gonna be so what? Okay. There. Dun, 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 dun. Come on. This guy thinks I'm stupid. Nope, I don't take snipers. No. How can I keep missing? No, I couldn't kill him. So close, guys. Oh my god. Lol. Oh, I wish I could make it bigger, but I can't. The heck? That guy was invisible. Are you hacking? No. No. Thank you for your gun. Hi, Eric. Whoa. That. Dude, come on. Hi, Eric. Yeah, and die. Come on. Oh, do you have a YouTube channel? Yes, I do. It's called Twins Pro. Well, it's Twins Gamer. Just go to my profile right now. Okay, just wait. Let me answer the question. Yes, I do have a YouTube channel. Just go to my profile. Just swipe down, and you'll see the YouTube button. Just touch it, and it'll go straight to my YouTube channel. Go check it out. Oh God, I have 102 subscribers by the way. That's awesome. What the heck? Die. I got this guy's gun. Why do you not live stream on YouTube? I cannot live stream on YouTube because I'm gonna need a dad's email. Which is I was about to ask today, but no. But until my dad left to work, so I cannot live stream on YouTube right now. Including this is going on YouTube. So Eric, do you want to shout out? Oh, hi Carlos.
Hi.
Hi. Eric, do you want to shout out? How could I keep missing? What's the app? What app are you using? You mean the game? Well, I'm playing MC5, but they go in packs. I can't kill them. Support. Gotta be kidding me. No, to live stream. Oh. Okay, just let me leave the game. Exit. Actually, no. So I just go here, touch this, and I have to do something like go to YouTube Gaming, YouTube or Omelette. So I choose Omelette, and now you get to see it or anyone. Dig it. Okay, now we're gonna go do shoutouts. If I could just first just let me talk to my sister, and if she lets me, it's gonna be for a little while. Then yeah. Michelle, ¿puedes usar tu iPad para un minuto?
No,
just that's mine.
Hey, great Spanish music.
Little hey. Okay, so just go to my YouTube channel.
Hello.
What do you think? Okay. Oh, I have 103 subscribers.
Oh, no, what?
103 subscribers.
Oh,
sí, espera, okay.
Just get crying. You should use mine.
Oh, this is gonna be really quick, okay? Okay, so just subscribe to Henry Granabajo. Oh wait, is this still recording? Hurry up. I want you to move. Okay, thank you. Is this okay? It's still on. Okay. To should we put this? Good. So go subscribe to this guy. He's my friend. This is the second channel. Also I have 103. That's good. Also, if you guys want to subscribe to it, just do this.
Wow, everybody in the house is subscribed.
Just put Twins Gamer. We're gonna type this. Put Twins Gamer. Just go down, and that's the one right there. So let me touch it. And yep, that's fine. Subscribe to it. Your head is in the way. Well, okay, here. That's the one, right? No? Then which one? Just find it, okay. Thank you guys for watching, and hope you have a good day. Including me because I'm sick. Goodbye.